Hi guys, it's me Jimmy and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make one of my favorite childhood treats. Actually don't know how it's called, but I'm going to describe it. It's a sugar-coated caramelized Hostia Cuttings. Hostia Cuttings because Hostia, we're using the whole spread during Mass. However, we're not using the round one because that's not allowed. So we're just going to use the cuttings, the printed out ones, okay? But I know that in other places they call this Aparon and they actually sell this in plastic containers or in box jars. But in our place, we just call it Hostia Cuttings and then sugar-coated Hostia Cuttings. Hostia Cuttings with sugar. That's how you call it. And the reason why I decided to make this is because the church actually gives them for free. You just have to ask for them. And we just got some and it's a lot. By a lot, I mean a lot. We got a whole sack of it. And we just paid 100 pesos to get it delivered. Whereas it's actually just free. They spend much in the church. What the fuck? So you can actually eat this on their own. They're good on its own. There's no flavor. It's just, something good to munch on. And you can actually make this at home. It's pretty simple. The easiest recipe I saw is that you use 3 parts flour to 1 part water. So if you're going to use 3 tablespoons of flour, you put 1 tablespoon of water. You mix that together. You make a dough. Then you flatten it. And then you cook it in a pan under the stove. Heat it up and you make holes. Pretty simple. But today we're going to sweeten it up by just covering this in sugar, okay? So we'll just be needing a few ingredients: oil, sugar, preferably brown sugar, and the Hostia Cuttings. Okay, it's time to cook. Turn on that stove at low to medium heat and put a little bit of oil in it. Now add the brown sugar. This depends on how sweet you want it, but I typically use equal amounts of oil and sugar. Then let's mix until the sugar is dissolved or a little bit caramelized. Prepare the Hostia Cuttings. Mix them all together. You put in the Hostia and let's mix it. You may need a bigger pan for this. And continue mixing it until the sugar is well coated in every piece if you want it to. Until you reach a golden brown color. And the more sugar you use, the more caramelized and sugar coated it is. Let's taste. This is fire in home, okay? Yeah, just the sugar. How you like it? And that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two about one of my favorite childhood treats. I hope you guys make it at home. And if you'd like me to do more cooking videos, please comment it down below. Make sure to like and share if you like the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell button to get notified of my videos. So that's it for this video. I'm Jimmy and see you on the next one. Bye!